In this video, I'm going to show you the best reversal indicator that is available on TradingView completely for free, and you can use it with your on trading, and you can see that this is providing us very good buy and sell signals. And this indicator is very powerful because it's based on the candlestick patterns, and I will tell you that how you can tackle this indicator for the better results. So please make sure that you are not going to miss any part of this video. Okay, before I jump further in this video, so guys, visit my website fxmentorus.com. My two private indicators are listed on the website, and the third indicator is shared in the Telegram channel. You can also get access to our Telegram channel by using the contact us option, and you can join the best broker right from here. I have provided the broker banner on my website. I'm using this broker from 2015, and it is highly regulated with the fast deposit and withdrawal methods. And guys, you can also book the coaching from my side. You If you go to our website coaching area, you will find all details about the bank method that I teach to my students, and you will find a lot of positive reviews about it. And if you go to the Telegram channel, you will understand what is the bank method and how our indicators actually work. Okay, now let's talk about this indicator, that how sweet this indicator is, that is providing us the key reversals from the trading market, and this indicator is very good for scalping. Okay, now I'm going to click on remove indicators, and let's add the first one, that is called PM 3K confirmed candle reversal patterns. I repeat, PM 3K confirmed candle reversal patterns. The name of the author is Scarf. Okay, so you can simply use this indicator, and when you use this indicator, you will see that this indicator will be displayed on your screen, and it is telling you the different type of candle bars, and I will tell you which one works very strong, and you need to take your chances in such type of candle bars. Okay, now if you want to use another indicator, then you can go for a EMA, moving average exponential indicator. And now let me tell you, if you go to the settings of the EMA, you can give it any color. Like for example, I'm just going it to give a blue color, and I am going to increase the thickness, and then inside the input use the 200. Okay, use the 200 period, because 200 periods works very well. Now this is the trend that is going on a particular pair. It will tell you what is the trend. If the price is above the 200 EMA, it's into the uptrend. Okay, and if the price is below the 200 EMA, that is shows the downward trend. Now guys, the PM3K indicator provides you like inside up, and you can see price moved up, outside up you can see price moved up. Okay, so you need to little bit hold the trade. Sometimes it will be going to work massively within the seconds and the minutes if you are trading the small charts. Otherwise, on the lower time frames, otherwise on the higher, sorry, you need to wait little bit. You can see outside up here, and you can see after 1 hour your trade is profitable. Okay, here you need to wait a little bit, then it went profitable. Okay, the pin bars here, you can see the pin bar has not worked very well, but this is my recommendation, that overall the pin box bar is very powerful tool to analyze the market, especially when you are dealing with the reversals. Just look at this one, that there was a bullish pin bar, and then you can see the price simply went up. Okay, and then you can see the pin bar here, and then you can see price was simply out above. Okay, now above the 200 EMA, I do not recommend any selling. However, we have a very good signals right from here, but even a Ben Baby as well. So it's your choice, but I personally try to flow with the trend. If you want to trade against the trend, then it's completely your choice. But if you just look at here, that if we are getting the signals that are close to the 200 EMA, they are more perfect. Moreover, you can use this indicator and any time frame, including Bank Nifty, Bitcoin, Forex, stocks, crypto. So whatever you are trading in, you can definitely use this indicator. This is completely for free to use on TradingView. So guys, this is the free indicator. Hopefully you must have enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and those subscribers who want to book the private indicators that I have, they need to come to fxmentorus.com. The link is provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.